Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to hide segments or sections within your site from the mobile view of Elementor for your WordPress website using the plugin. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys want to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your WordPress account as an administrator like I have here. So once you guys are in the dashboard, the idea is we want to get access to the site builder or the text editor. So there are there are actually not two, but a lot of ways to get there. You could either click on the edit site link under quick links right here, as you can see, or click in appearance, click in editor or plugins and installed plugins, and simply select Elementor from there. But I digress. So to show you guys what I mean, let's go to the site builder. So as you can see here, I believe this is the text editor. Okay, so here's the site builder. So let's actually start from scratch. So the idea here is we want to select the element that we want to hide from our mobile viewers, or if people go to visit our website on their phones, then we actually have the option to hide that section from them. So let's say that I only want to make okay, this doesn't really make sense, but let's hypothetically say that I wanted to hide the restaurant menu from people who are visiting our website through their phones. So I only want to make this feature available or this segment available to people on PC. So this is purely hypothetical. So if I were to choose the container or segment containing my survey menu, so I believe it's this one. Actually, let me double check. Okay, yeah, so it's this one. So you want to click on it like so, click on the container, and under advanced, you'll see that there's an option that says responsive. So from here, you can see right away that you can hide this section from people on desktop or on a tablet or mobile. So it's totally up to you guys how you want this, how you want to control the visibility for this section. So let's say I wanted to make this available for only desktop, then I would do this, click on the toggle, and this would hide, and click on update, and this would hide this section from people on their tablets or their mobile phones. Or you could do it the other way too. You can hide it on from desktop and it'd be grayed out, as you can see, and make it available for people on mobile. So either way is fine. Just hit update and save and you guys are done. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.